In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of Claude Code CLI not being recognized. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to verify the installation and ensure that your system is configured correctly for using the CLI. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. In the PowerShell window, type the command pmlist-g at Anthropic/Claude Code and press enter. If the output displays a version number, it indicates that the Claude Code CLI is installed globally. However, if it shows empty, you will need to install it. In that case, enter the command and pm install-g at Anthropic/Claude Code and wait for the installation process to complete. Next, you need to determine where npm installs global packages. In the same PowerShell window, type npm root-g and press enter. This command will return the directory where global packages are stored. Following that, type npm bin-g to find the folder where CLI executables are located. You should see an output similar to C uses your MAME app data roaming in Bourbon. Take note of this path as you will need it in the next steps. Now, it is essential to add the npm global folder to your system's path variable. The path variable allows Windows to recognize commands like Claude from any directory. To check your current path, type echo $end, parcel, and press enter. If the folder you noted earlier is not listed, you will need to add it. To do this temporarily, enter the command $n path plus =, C users your MAME app data roaming path enter. For a permanent change, use the command setsx path $n farm path C users your MAME app data roaming path enter. After updating the path variable, it is necessary to close PowerShell and reopen it for the changes to take effect. To verify that the Claude CLI is now recognized, type Claude-version in the new PowerShell window and press enter. If it prints a version number, the CLI is successfully recognized. If it is still not recognized, try running the command directly by typing C users your MAME app data roaming pmslaw.cmd-version and pressing enter. Lastly, it is important to ensure that node.js is installed correctly, as Claude CLI requires node.js version 18 or higher. To verify your node.js installation, type node-v. If node is missing or if the version is outdated, you will need to reinstall node.js. Visit the official node.js website to download the latest LTS version. After reinstalling, remember to repeat the previous steps to ensure that the path variable includes both node and npm. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.